Can FreshBooks send invoices to the UK? Working with UK clients, here's how to send professional VAT-ready invoices using FreshBooks. So first, go ahead and head over into the Invoices tab, and then from here, click on this New Invoice button at the top right, and then go ahead and add your client details, services, and amounts. Switch the currency to GBP. FreshBooks supports multiple currencies, including pounds sterling. Now enter the correct VAT rate in the tax field. FreshBooks invoices are HMRC recognized and MTD compliant. Click Send Invoice and your client receives a professional invoice by email with payment options. UK clients can pay via credit card, bank transfer, or online payment links, making collection faster. Check the sales tax summary report. It shows VAT collected and keeps your records tax ready. Sending invoices to UK clients in FreshBooks is simple, compliant, and professional, perfect for freelancers and agencies working internationally. And that's the easy guide to sending the invoices to UK clients in FreshBooks.